What's up?
What's up?
That's what you sound like when you talk. You're so pretty.
Pretty bird.
Pretty.
Pretty bird. Pretty bird.
He's so pretty.
Say what?
Don't.
What?
Say what's up.
Can he say what's up?
Yeah, when we came over.
That's how messy they are. Our friends have a parrot, and that's the way their living room rug looks.
9 years old.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Now he's shy.
Now he's gonna get some
He's
tea.
old too.
Oh, he's pretty. Hi.
He was 9 years old.
It's fine. Want some yogurt? Yogurt. Yogurt.
We should give him some of those nuts.
No.
Oh, he jumps up and down.
Up on the cage.
Yogurt.
Okay, let's go.
Bye, parrot. Bye. See you next time.
Okay, fine. Don't talk to me. Fine. Fine.
Bye. 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 Bye.
What's up?
Look.
What are you looking at?
What's up? Say it. What's up?
Yeah.
What's up? What's up?
Woo!
He likes it when you scream at him.
Woo! Woo!
I just get like one.
Oh, it's a little bit of a dancing.
No, I mean mixed in with the yogurt, it wasn't too bad, but I could tell.
You go, Rocky.
Don't want to fuck you off.
Shut the door, dear.
What's up?
What's up?